You know, when you see something so good that somebody else made and you have got to make it too. Well, you guys, that is exactly what happened to me when I saw this lemon pepper wing recipe that was put together by Smoking and Grilling by AB. You guys, those wings were so phenomenal. It was like you can taste them right through the screen. So I'm a low carb, and those wings obviously were not, because they were battered in flour. But guess what, you guys? I am not going to be denied. We are going to try our hand at that same recipe, but I am going to keep it low carb by frying these wings up in my air fryer. But that sauce that he put together, you guys, I am going all in. So if you want to learn how to put these wings together, then stay with me. Coming up next. Okay, everyone, in front of me, I've got my drummetts along with the flats that have been cleaned with some lemon juice, and it's time to go ahead and put some seasoning on them, which is real simple this evening. I've got some black pepper and I've got some salt. So off to the bowl these go. And we're going to sprinkle on the salt and some pepper. All right, and go ahead and massage these seasonings into this chicken. Okay, you guys, these are all set, ready to go into the air fryer. And these are gonna cook for approximately 25 minutes. I'm gonna flip them over halfway through. And then once they are done, then we will move on to the next step. And that will be coating them with this delicious lemon pepper butter sauce. See you soon. All right, you guys, these are ready. All right, here's the chicken hot out of the fryer. So let's go ahead and put this sauce together. We've got our butter here. Let's put some lemon juice in it. You know what, you guys, this has been sitting out for a minute. I think I need to microwave it real quick, just for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I needed to heat that some more in the microwave. So now this is ready. Put some of this lemon pepper in here. Because after all, this is lemon pepper chicken. And this is salt-free. That is very important. Otherwise, you're going to have a salty mess. All right, let's go ahead and give this a stir. Give this a taste. Oh yeah. That's ready. Okay. Let's bring our chicken over. Pour some of this over. And give it a toss. It is looking really good, you guys. Okay. Now at this point, we are going to add a little bit more lemon by giving this some zest, okay? Just a little bit of zest. Because again, after all, this is lemon pepper chicken. Give it a toss. You guys, this smells amazing. Now it is time to go ahead and serve this, and then we are going to give this a taste. A couple pieces of lemon. And there we have it. Lemon pepper wings. Okay, everyone, I've got my platter of wings here, some homemade ranch dressing, and all we need to do is to give these a taste. Lord, I thank you. So my favorite part of the wing is the flat, so we are going all in. So good. This is the perfect blend of the butter, the lemon, and the pepper. Absolutely delicious. And even though these were fried in the air fryer, this skin is nice and crispy. Delicious, you guys. I accomplished what I set out to do, and that is to make a delicious lemon pepper chicken that is still low carb. Give this recipe a try, and when you do, leave in the comments that you have and let everyone know just how delicious this is. And also, please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before, and remember to give this video a like and a share. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make your own kind of special, just as I did with a delicious recipe that I found on smoking and grilling with AB, and I took it and I made it low carb so that we all can enjoy it. Thank you, guys, and please do enjoy, and I will see you real soon on my next Fit 550.